Trends change, platforms change, but one thing never changes. Children are born daily and parents are always willing to spend on them. This is why the kids and babies niche is one of the most stable categories in e-commerce. In this video, I will quickly show you why it works, which products sell best, and how Sellvia helps you launch a kids or baby store without starting from scratch. Let's get started. One of the biggest advantages of the kids and babies niche is the audience itself. Parents don't stop being parents because of trends or economic changes. They still need furniture, accessories, safety products, and everyday essentials for their children. This makes young parents one of the most consistent target audiences in e-commerce. Another important point is how parents make buying decisions. They don't usually look for the cheapest option. Instead, they focus on safety, quality, comfort, and trust. If a product helps their child or makes daily life easier, price often becomes a secondary factor. That's exactly why this niche allows surprisingly high margins. Now let's talk about the market size, because the numbers here are very telling. According to Grandview Research, the global baby products market was estimated at $337 billion in 2024. In 2025, it is expected to reach $355.9 billion, and by 2030, it's projected to grow to over $475 billion, with steady growth year after year. This matches what we see across the market right now. Google Trends tells the same story. Search interest for things like baby essentials, kids furniture, nursery items, and educational toys remains consistently high throughout the year. There are small spikes around holidays, but demand never really drops. Other e-commerce analytics platforms also confirm that more parents are choosing to buy kids and baby products online instead of in physical stores. All of this points to one clear conclusion. This niche is not seasonal. It works year-round. So what exactly sells well in the kids and babies category? I'll skip products like clothes because parents buy those anyway as children grow. Instead, let's focus on other product types. First of all, furniture and room essentials perform extremely well. Items like baby beds, kids' beds, storage solutions, and playroom furniture are big-ticket products that parents are willing to invest in. These are not impulse purchases, but when parents decide to buy, they are ready to spend more for quality and design. Safety and practical products are another strong category. Parents constantly look for items that make their homes safer and their routines easier. These products solve real problems, which makes them easier to sell and less likely to be returned. Educational and developmental products are also very popular. Parents love products that help children learn, grow, and stay engaged. These purchases are often emotional, which means they convert well when presented correctly. Finally, everyday essentials with a premium or multifunctional design sell extremely well. When a product combines practicality with good design, parents see it as a smart investment rather than an expense. Now, let's talk about profit margins, because this is where many people are surprised. A lot of beginners assume that kids' products are low-ticket only. In reality, that's not true. In Salia's kids and babies product packs, profit per sale can reach up to $4,000, especially in furniture, premium kids' beds, and multifunctional items. Parents are far more willing to pay when they believe a product improves their child's safety, comfort, or development. At the same time, refund rates in this niche are usually lower than average because purchases are well thought out. Let's move on to how Sellvia helps you work with this niche. The Sellvia catalog includes more than 12,000 products in the kids and babies category, so you don't need to research thousands of items or build a store from scratch. Sellvia offers curated solutions such as trending essentials for kids and babies with a design bundle, as well as the option to launch a premium baby and kids store with a ready-made design. In practice, this means you get a product selection based on real demand, professionally designed product pages, and clean, parent-friendly store layouts. Everything is built to create trust and make shopping easy for parents. Instead of guessing, what might work, you start with products that already perform. Let's take another look at demand signals. If you open Google Trends and look at the past year, you will see that interest in kids and baby products stays consistent. It doesn't drop after holidays and doesn't depend heavily on seasons. Other e-commerce platforms confirm the same behavior. Parents shop when they need something, not when a trend tells them to. This makes the niche especially suitable for beginners, long-term store owners, and sellers who want predictable results rather than quick spikes. Now let me share a real example. One Sellvia client launched a kid-focused store using a curated product pack and a ready-made design. They didn't try to reinvent anything. They focused on kids' furniture, practical nursery items, and premium everyday essentials. Within a relatively short period, the store generated over $18,000 in revenue, with several high-ticket sales accounting for most of the profit. Another client, working specifically with kids' room furniture, reported consistent four-figure weeks, driven by a small number of high-margin products. In both cases, the strategy was very simple. They focused on quality, kept the store clean and organized, and communicated trust clearly. Not every e-commerce niche is beginner-friendly, but kids and baby products can be if you approach them correctly. Demand is stable, products are easy to understand, and the target audience is very clear. Parents don't need complicated explanations, they need solutions they can trust. You don't need aggressive hype or viral tricks here. You need good products, a clear presentation, and reliable fulfillment, and all of that can be provided by Sellvia. Let's wrap this up. If you're looking for an e-commerce niche that works year-round, attracts a loyal audience, and offers strong profit margins, kids and babies is definitely worth considering. Parents will always buy for their children, and when you offer quality, safety, and convenience, they're willing to pay for it. If you want to explore this niche further, everything you need is under this video. You can check out trend and essentials for kids and babies or launch a premium baby and kid store with Sellvia. All the links are below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.